Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So yeah, I just want to update you once more about Solana as we did break below that important $40 level today. Yeah, in this Solana correction, this overall correction started early in November 2021. We've come down here in a WXY pattern, which is a more complex corrective wave pattern, and we are currently in a wave 2 after the upside here until November was a larger wave 1. It was Solana's first wave 1 to the upside, first major wave 1. Yeah, we've then come down in a wave 2. The fact that Solana retraces as much as it does at the moment does, in my opinion, not have anything to do with the network outages. It merely has to do with the fact that all cryptos are going down into that region between the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level and the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level between $30 and $55. So I just wanted to show you these again because we can draw the fibs here from 0, and I start at 0 because it is Solana's first wave 1 all the way to the all-time high, and we can see it is between $30 and $55 here. This is the range where we expected originally this overall correction to get into and to end. And you can see how relevant this price area is because we are exactly in this range. We are exactly in this range. Now, this was the higher level correction target, and this is technically complete. Solana has done what it needs to do to complete the correction, which doesn't mean the correction has to be finished already. In fact, I believe we are making a lower low compared to the $35 level from here, from the 12th of May. So as we then go into the lower level wave targets, we have to look at those Fibonacci targets, and this then gives us the more accurate wave count. Yeah. So what was important today, and that is also what I anticipated, was that Solana dropped below that important $40 level. I think that actually did it happen yesterday already? Yes, but then we recovered. Now today we made a lower swing low compared to the one yesterday. So that is important on our way here, our impulsive way down, what we're doing here at the moment. Technically, this 5-wave move here to the downside could already be complete. Oops. Because we've made a lower low. Yeah, but ideally what we want to do in this 5-wave move, we want to get below the low here from the 12th of May, which is at $35.40. So we want to get below that level. That would mark a new swing low, and you would also have a chance then to complete here the higher level wave 5 in green. Yeah, wave 3 on the 12th of May, wave 4 up here somewhere, and the wave 5 now. And Solana is one of the cryptos that is really following here this move down. Other cryptos are a little bit later. They all formed a triangle. In my opinion, Solana, well, clearly didn't form a triangle because it has made a series of lower highs and lower lows. Now, where would we expect here Solana's overall correction to end? I believe, as I said before, I think Solana is really one of the cryptos that is as close as, closer than many other cryptos that I follow to the end of the correction. And that is based on the current Elliott wave count, which, to be honest, it is adhering to very well. The thing is, we need to understand this is a 5-wave move down. So other cryptos are maybe only just now in their wave 1 down here, if you follow my Bitcoin videos. So they are not that advanced yet because they have spent this time here to form a triangle or a WXY pattern, whereas Solana already worked here on an impulsive wave down. Can we now calculate a target for this wave 5? I think we did that before, and it is a bit tricky, but one target is here the so we take the fib extension of the wave A, yeah, and we try to get to the 1.618 fib extension, but that is $38, yeah, or $39. And I showed you that before because the 1.618 multiple of the wave A is a good target for a wave C, yeah, and this is a wave C which we're doing here, yeah. A wave C of a wave 5 of a wave 2, and the $38 level would be a target. And to me, you can see how relevant this level actually is. The problem is though that with this move we would not get below the low of the wave 3, which is what we would need to do. So we then have to go to the next target, and if the 1.618 is not suitable, because it doesn't make sense, because it's too short, then the next logical target would be the 200% Fibonacci extension, and that is at $21. And the $21 level is a level, and that's speculation at the moment where this is going to land, but the $21 level is a level that I told you before, just purely by looking at the chart here, looking at the chart history, you can actually see that we had a lot of support down here previously, in 2021, around the $19 to $21 level. So this is a level that I think will be very important. There's two levels really. There is the $30 level as support, that is the 88.7% Fibonacci level, and then that $20 level, 20, 21, sort of, that is important. Now, do we think we get there? At the moment, I do, because at the moment we are here clearly in a downtrend at the moment. At the moment, we are making lower lows and lower highs, and as long as this is the case, and as long as we are in this descending channel, then we have to assume that the downtrend continues. Support in this channel would be here at around $34 if we now make one lower low, and then technically with that level, the low could be in. The low could be in. That means from here, Solana would have a chance to recover, get actually back into a bull run. But what we need to see when we reach that level, because that would be a lower low compared to that $35 level, what we would need to see when we reach that level is a bullish signal. At the moment, we don't see the bullish signals yet. So two things here. The higher level wave correction target has been reached. That means technically the correction is finished, or it can be finished. However, for that, we need to see a bullish move. Therefore, we go to the lower wave count here, and also on the lower wave count, if we make a low, any low below that wave 3 here, below $35, or let's say $35.40, then also the short-term wave count could be complete. Very, very important. Very important. And at that point then, we really need to pay very close attention. And if we then see a bullish signal, and the bullish signal could be a bullish engulfing candle, it's something on the indicators that will be bullish, or here very powerful, an impulsive move to the upside on a lower time frame, a 5-wave move followed by a 3-wave move. If we see that, a first impulse to the upside, a potential breakout pattern based on the Elliott waves, then this is a really good indication that the low will be in, or the low is in. And I will of course make you aware. Therefore, I'm following now those lower level Elliott wave counts very, very closely here on the daily, and that will be important to see how the daily candle closes, because if the daily candle closes like that, it would indicate that we are having here a bearish engulfing candle. So we had a bearish engulfing candle here, and you can see we moved down in the wave 3. We had a bearish engulfing candle here in the wave 1, and it was all followed by further declines. We had a bearish engulfing candle here now again, and that also followed its way down, and we have one more here now. So this is the bearish engulfing candles. They are quite relevant, and they just indicate further downside. So a first bullish engulfing one, for example, could indicate reversal. Now they don't work 100%, but this may be coupled with an impulse or something will be powerful. That is what we're looking for here. Okay, and that is my view about Solana. So further downside expected here, also based on the Elliott wave count. What would be good for the current scenario is if the price stays below the previous swing high, so below $41.50. But certainly important would be below $48 for now. Then the downtrend will continue, and important would be a break below that $35.40 level. And I think we're on good track here. So hopefully you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.